Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to MLTube, your go-to channel for data science and artificial intelligence. I create content to help you understand machine learning and data science in the simplest way possible. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated and learn more about data science and AI. In today's video, I want to talk about something that many of you struggle with when starting your data science journey: mathematics and statistics. These two subjects form the backbone of data science and machine learning. Without a good grasp of them, it's like trying to build a house without a foundation. So, in this video, I will share some of the best online courses and resources that can help you learn math and statistics in a structured and beginner friendly way. These are not random picks, but resources that are highly rated, widely used, and actually useful for data science applications. Let's start with linear algebra and calculus because these are fundamental for understanding machine learning algorithms. One of the best resources is the Imperial College London's Mathematics for Machine Learning specialization on Coursera. It has three focused courses: linear algebra, multivariate calculus, and TCA. It's beginner friendly and very applied to machine learning, so you don't feel like you are just solving abstract equations. Another great option is the deeplearning.ai Mathematics for Machine Learning and Data Science specialization, also on Coursera. This one goes even deeper into how these concepts directly connect to data science tasks like optimization, loss functions, and working with models. If you prefer learning directly from world class professors, I would recommend MIT OpenCourseWare. Gilbert Strang's linear algebra lectures are legendary, and their single variable and multivariable calculus courses are free and top notch. If you want something more visual and easy to understand, then 3 Blue 1 Brown's YouTube series on linear algebra and calculus is unbeatable. His way of explaining concepts with visuals actually makes you feel the math instead of memorizing formulas. Now let's move to probability and statistics, which are essential for understanding uncertainty, hypothesis testing, A/B testing, and machine learning algorithms. For structured learning, the Stanford Online Probability and Statistics courses on edX are very strong. They are rigorous but explained in a way that makes sense for data-driven work. Another excellent choice is Khan Academy's Statistics and Probability playlist, which is free and perfect if you need to build fundamentals step by step. If you are looking for a more applied perspective, I highly recommend the Harvard X Statistics and R course on edX. It teaches you statistics with hands-on coding in R, which is a great way to connect theory to practice. For Python lovers, the Statistics with Python specialization by University of Michigan on Coursera is an equally strong alternative. Finally, if you want one single course that brings together linear algebra, calculus, probability, and statistics in a structured way, then I recommend the Mathematical Foundations for Data Science and Analytics specialization by the University of Pittsburgh on Coursera. It's designed for beginners, so you don't need a strong math background to start. The specialization breaks things into clear parts: linear algebra and regression, calculus and statistical methods, and probability theory with practical applications. By the end, you will have a solid foundation to tackle real data science problem with confidence. So to quickly summarize, here is a clear roadmap to learn mathematics and statistics for data science. Start with linear algebra and calculus by taking Imperial College Mathematics for Machine Learning and MIT OpenCourseware's linear algebra and calculus courses to build a strong foundation. Once you are comfortable with the basics, move on to probability and statistics with Stanford Online's probability and statistics courses and Khan Academy's statistics and probability playlist to build your understanding. After that, focus on applied statistics with coding by exploring Harvard Statistics with R and University of Michigan's Statistics with Python, which will help you connect theory to real-world data science tasks. Finally, tie everything together with the University of Pittsburgh Mathematical Foundation for Data Science and Analytics specialization, which blends linear algebra, calculus, probability, and statistics in practical hands-on applications. Following this roadmap step by step will give you a solid foundation to confidently tackle machine learning and data science projects. These resources cover everything you need from beginner to advanced level, and they are not just theory heavy but also practical for data science. Don't try to finish all of them at once. Pick one for linear algebra and calculus, one for statistics, and one applied course. That combination will give you a rock solid foundation for data science and machine learning. I will put all the links in the description below so you can explore them at your own pace. And remember, learning math and statistics is not about rushing through courses. It's about consistent practice and connecting concepts to real world problems. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.